Okay, so we're going to continue working on changing fractions to decimals, but so far we've had problems like this. Either 10 was the denominator, 100 was the denominator, or 1000 was the denominator. But as you can probably assume, not every problem is going to be like this. So for example, let's do 1/4 and change this into a decimal. Now, the previous methods aren't going to apply, right? Because 10, 100, or 1000 is not the number used as the denominator. So what we have to do in this case is division. So we are going to put the denominator on the outside, and the numerator is what goes behind the division sign. So does 4 go into 1? No, right? So that is 0. And 4 times 0 is 0, right? Because 0 is the only number we can multiply by 4 that's going to give us a number less than 1. All right, 1 minus 0 is 1. No change there. So what we do now is we put a decimal behind the 0, and then we bring an imaginary 0 to the table, drag it down, and that gives us 10. Now, can 4 go into 10? Yes, now that is possible. We can do 4 times 2, which is 8. 8 is still less than 10, that's good. How about 4 times 3? That'd be 12. 12 is greater than 10, so we can't use that. So we can't use 4 times 3, we have to use 4 times 2. So we're gonna put 2 here. And then that gives us 8. 10 minus 8 is 2. Now what we're going to do at this point is we are just going to take another imaginary 0, drag that down, and we've got 20. Does 4 go into 20? It does. In fact, 5 times 4 gives us exactly 20. So we're going to do 5 here. 5 times 4 is 20, of course. 20 minus 20 is 0. So 0.25 is our answer. Okay, let's try another one. Let's do 8/33. Okay, now, as we stated before, the numerator is what goes behind the division sign, right? Then 33 goes on the outside. Can 33 go into 8? No, unless it's 33 times 0. Eight minus 0 is 8. Okay, now what we can do next is we can, again, bring down our imaginary 0. Oh, don't forget the decimal point. So now we've got 33 times 80. Okay, can 33 go into 80? It can. And what we're going to do is we're going to do 33 times 2 is what we'll use. And 33 times 2 is 66. That sounds good. Just to check, can we do 33 times 3? Let's put that in my calculator. No, because 33 times 3 is 99, which is bigger than 80. So we have to do 33 times 2. 33 times 2, 66. And 80 minus 66 is 14. And we're going to take our invisible 2, drag that down, and 33 times 4 is 132. So we're going to do 33 times 4. And 132 is the closest thing we can get and not be over 140. So 140 minus 132 is going to be 8, right? And we are going to bring down our invisible 0 here. This 0 is what's going over here. I guess I could have dragged down the arrow. Boop. Okay, I know that was kind of funny, but it will have to do. All right, and the same thing here where we're gonna have to do 3 times 2 is 66. All right, and that leaves us with 1, 4, and again, what we're going to have to do at this point is we are going to have to okay, at that point we bring down another 0. And again, we know that is going, and I forgot to put a 2 here from that 66. And again, 140, we know that 33 times 4 is equal to 132. And again, that gives us 80. So we bring it down another 0. All the way down here, okay? We know that, again, 33 times 2 is 66. That leaves us with 14. Bring down another 0. I don't know if I'm gonna have enough paper for all this, to be honest. And again, it's going to be 33 times 4. And I'm gonna stop us there because I want you to notice something. This is just repeating numbers, right? 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4. So we're not gonna keep going on to infinity, right? No, that's too much. What we are going to do is we notice that 2 and 4 just repeat themselves, right? Over and over. So what you can do is you can do 0.24 and put a line over here. And that line just symbolizes that 2 and 4 is just a repetitive pattern. 0.24, 24, 24, 24, and so on. So this is how we can change fractions to decimals with doing division.